have given you some work also on have or have to and has to. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Good one. How many of you have done it? Have to and has to. I have given the homework last time. Have to and has to.
Yes, sir, done.
Done.
Yes, sir.
Very nice.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Good, good, good. So one by one, please come on the camera and then just speak up on the topic on has to and have to faster so that we can go ahead. Okay, smoothly. Yes, please come on the camera. Who's coming first? Jai.
Yes, sir. I'm ready.
Yeah, good. Please come on the camera and start speaking.
Hi, good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
My name is Jay Srivastav, and today my topic is have to. So I want to share with you some story with my friend. One day, my friend Ravi met me. Then he shared to me his newly married life. He said he is very upset with her wife because we both fight a lot in small things. And he said, after marriage, my life is rotten. What should I do so that both of us can we have a better life? Then I said, first of all, you have to listen carefully that what does she want. Then you have to work on it and give some initiate like you have to understand her feeling. You have to feel her special, and you have to feel her that she is your priority, and you have to take ownership for your relationship. And you can do one more thing also. You have to start your daily life routine, your personal and professional life. You can share
Good.
with her, and because sometimes you have to do use your mind. Don't depend on time. And sometimes if you want to make your life happy, then you have to do change your life
You
routine,
have to
and
change.
you have to adjust. You have to adjust in your life also. Otherwise fighting is happening every day. After this conversation we are both laughing. Then he
We
said,
both were laughing.
yeah, you are right. But we both were laughing. Then after that he said, yeah, you are right. Then I start today itself. Okay,
Started.
thanks for the suggestion. So
Good one.
thank you all of you. It was conversation with my friend. Thank you.
Good one. Good one. I really like it. I really like it. Have you made it yourself?
Thank you, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's on.
Good, good, good. It is really good. Now you are improving. I really like it. The way you are speaking, it
Thank
is
you,
really
sir.
good. And you are using their have to, has to. It is really beautiful. Good. Keep up.
Thank you, sir.
Miss Mahek. Good, good. Keep up.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Please come on the camera.
Good evening, sir.
Good
I'm
evening.
Mehak Khan, and uh, I have sorry. Today I'm going to share you sentence with have and has. Uh, I have to drive slowly. You have to wear school uniform. You have to introduce yourself. You have to go to the dentist. Neha has to copy this text. He has to write later. She has to walk. We have to discuss about uh, about the assignment. We have to play now. We have to draw. We have to draw because it's important. I think we have to take break. Government have to open the college
Has
and
to.
school has to open the college and
Good.
school. Teacher has to check our assignment. It has to sharp knife. It has to dark ink. She has to clean the house, and you have to stop smoking. She has to be there. Actually, I have to drink something. I have to do something. We have to buy a jacket. It has to throw and jump. It has to complete today, and I have learned a computer.
I have to learn computers. Good one. Good one. Only few mistakes are there. Otherwise, it is really good. Beautiful. Keep up. Have you made yourself?
Yes, sir.
Good one. Very good. Aisha ma'am,
Yes, sir.
please come.
सर मेरा
Good.
शुड और मस्ट का भी बाकी था ना.
Okay. Should and must is remaining yours.
हाँ.
Okay. First, speak up on have
Should
to and
and
has
must
to.
precaution takes.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so just do one thing. Speak first, have to and has to, and then should and must.
Okay.
Yeah.
I have some fever. I have to go clinic. Uh, she has she has to give medicine. She has to give me injection. Also, she has to give me some tablets. I have to take some rest because after 2 days I have submission. I have to get tablets on time to recover fast. I have
To
to go
take.
college after 2 days. It's last date of date.
I have to
It's
take
last date of
tablets.
submission. Ma- I have take tablets.
Yeah.
Ma'am has to extend date of submission, last date of submission due to my illness. I have to request ma'am to extend my last submission date. Is she? Thank you.
Done.
Yes.
Okay. It is
Should
also
and
good.
must.
It is really good. And but just make some, strong one, so that it must look very obligatory. Okay. It will look very amazing. That's really good. Keep up. Keep up. Okay. Should and must to must.
Yes. Precaution takes while driving a car. You must wear a seat belt. You must wear a mask. You should drive a car slowly in the city or school and college areas. You must focus on road. You shouldn't take mobile while you are driving a car. You should not try multitasking when you drive a car. You should turn on music in minimum volume.
At low
You
volume.
must check your car condition before going to long trip.
Very good.
Low volume.
Yeah. At low
You
volume.
must take rest after a period of time. You should avoid night driving. You should turn on signals while you turns a car. You mustn't obey a traffic signal. You should remember the intents of yellow lights. You should use headlights when it needs. Thank you.
When it needs, you should turn on the headlights, right?
Huh.
Turn on.
Turn on.
Good. Yeah.
You should
Yeah.
use headlights when it needs. मतलब,
Yeah. It is also correct. Both are correct. No, I'm just giving you an alternative that you can turn on lights. You can just put up that as well. Good.
okay.
Let's go for who's ready? Ma'am, really good, okay? Very good. I liked it. Very good. Keep up. Now, you people, as you're making your articles and you're speaking over here, in future, in case whenever I'm going to give you some of the tasks, you have to go through their task and you have to just speak up without seeing. Okay, means what? In future, I'll be giving the task of IELTS as well. IELTS task means what? Like for example, I'll be giving you the topics over here in front of me. You'll get 2 minutes, and in those 2 minutes, you have to speak up. 1 minute for thinking and making your own notes, and then in the further 2 minutes, you're going to speak up there. So like this, you're going to get 3 minutes training. It is what like the short, just in a minute we say. Okay, so just in a minute. So like this, you're going to have their jam sessions. All right, we're going to have the jam sessions in uh, further weeks. Okay, so nobody will be absent there. I believe so. Nobody will be absent, and we are going to have their jam sessions so that we can just go fluently and we shall start speaking without seeing. So with the confident as you are speaking Hindi and Marathi. All right. Next, Sanam is ready. Mr. Ramiz.
Yeah, I was busy this week. Today,
Okay. Okay. Is it fine now?
today is my last day of this project, so maybe it will be fine after this.
Okay. Hope for the
Yeah.
best. Hope for the best. Raza, are you watching videos, Mr. Ramiz?
I don't have that recent playlist, so if you could share me that,
No. It is the
I'll
same.
be.
It is the same. I have just added that. No, same link is there, but I have just added with a number. For example, number 1 of model auxiliary, number 2, number 3, like this, in the same playlist
Oh,
of intermediates. Yeah.
okay, I'll watch that.
Yeah. Okay, Raza.
So I didn't don't so.
Okay, I didn't do.
I
Okay.
didn't do. So मैं कल बोलूँगा तो चलेगा because
Okay.
तो मैंने
Well,
प्रिपेयर
just
नहीं किया.
tomorrow I want it. Okay. Today's homework
Okay
and
sir.
tomorrow's homework. I want both of them tomorrow.
Okay sir.
Next, Miss Sana.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Have you finished the homework of have to and has to?
Yeah.
Very good. Please come on the camera. Good.
Yeah.
Speak up.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Sana Punjabi. I'm 22. I'm Indian. I'm from Pune. I have to get up early because I missed my morning classes. I have to prepare myself for exams and I have to complete my assignments because today's last date. And I have to ignore some negative people. And I think I have to make new dishes because outside is locked down. And I don't think so. It's safe to eat outside. And I have to shopping for Eid.
I
He
have
has to
to.
take me.
I have to do shopping.
I have to do shopping for Eid. He has to take me out for shopping, and he has to take care of himself. He has to spend time with his family, and she has to wear abaya. She has to drive a bike. She has to move on, and she has to buy new car. Thank you.
Good one. Good one. Only a few mistakes are there. Like for example, she has to wear an abaya. He has to take me shopping, not two or not four. Okay. Only few
Yes, sir.
mistakes are there. Otherwise, it is really excellent. Have you made yourself?
Yeah, sir.
Beautiful. It is really beautiful. You people are really going very beautiful. I
Thank
really
you.
like it. Good, good, good. Keep up. Now today, without time pass, I'm going to start a new chapter over here. That is really very important and one of my favorites. One of my favorite. What is that? Can anybody guess? What is that? What model auxiliary are we going to have here today?
Wood.
Correct. Exactly right. Because the people who are listening me well, they should come to know what exactly I do use over here. Okay, so here we go. And today I'm going to share with you the next model auxiliary verb, and that's what would. Okay, see here. We have done can, could, we have done may, might, we have done shall also, will also in our simple present, simple future tense. Next, we have done should, we have done must, we have done have to too. Yes or no? Next, now today I'm going to share with you one of my favorites, one of the most important, that's what would. Okay, would. Now, when do we use would? Who can tell me this?
I think
Anybody?
offer.
Beautiful, beautiful, very good. We are going to use here would for offer. Next one, Ramesh bhai, Miss Aisha. Chalo. Supriya is absent. Oh, she has an exam. Yeah, Raza, Mahek, Ajay.
If I am decided
Intention.
to do something.
If I am decided to do something, good one. Means what you are saying intention, right?
Yeah, correct.
Yeah, you are right then. If you are saying intention, then you're absolutely right. For intentions, also we are using there would. Next one. Please keep on sharing. Please keep on sharing your ideas and thoughts. Please. Who's this without name? Yes, continue, please. What else? Where
Would
else
is
do we
used
use?
about the past.
What is used about the past? Okay, in tenses also we can use in different tenses. We can use it. For example, past tense also we can use it. Good one. That we are going to discuss later. Yes, who's this without name? Gone. Okay, so would. When do we use would? Aisha ma'am, Mr. Raza. Yes.
Regret.
Regret. Good one. Now let me tell you here, especially we are using here would for offers and intention. Offers and intention. You people have given great answer. We are using would here for offer and intention, especially. Okay. And we have multiple features of would that we are going to see today. But we are using would most of the time in all the sentences. And let me tell you one more thing. In my conversation, in my own communication skills, I use their would at the most. मैं सबसे ज़्यादा would use करता हूँ. Now let me show you here. Point number one. When do we use would? When do we use would here? Intention. I think there offer. For intention and for offer, we are going to use their offer and intention. For both of them, we are going to use their would. All right. Remember this. Now, second thing is there. For the other things also we can use their would, but not at that most. Next, you can see here there is no would. There is no would. There is no would for intentions and offer. Okay. Now I can say here that what exactly next? I can say that willingness. What do you mean by willingness? It is same as intention. Willingness मतलब यानी इरादा करना. ऐसा मैं करने वाला हूँ. So would. Now let me tell you one more thing. People are saying that would is the past form of will. They say like this, but it is not. We can say the past form, but not exactly. But would came from will only.
So question के लिए भी use करते हैं ना?
Pardon?
Question.
नहीं, वो अलग चीज है, मैं बताता हूँ आपको आगे. Question के लिए तो सभी यूज करते हैं ना. Has to be use होता है, have to be use होता है, must be use होता है. Question में सभी आते हैं, देखो. Statement, question, negative. Statement, question, negative. सब में आता है वो. So, by the way, please have a look here. ये सबसे main, सबसे important क्यों है? उसके पीछे वजह क्या है? Have a look here. Will से बना है would. Point number 1. And especially we are using here would for offer, intention, and willingness. Offer, intention, and willingness. Point number 1. Now, how can we use here would?
Intention.
Pardon? Pardon? Jay, repeat. Jay, repeat. Hello?
No, sir.
Okay. Pay attention here now. So we are using would for offer, intention, and willingness. Apart from this one, for what tenses are we going to use their would? Yes, in what tenses are we using would?
Present,
Present or
past,
past and
All three, present, past, future.
correct. Simple. Now let me tell you one more thing. People are saying that we are using would only in the past. Correct? Correct, Mahek?
Yes.
People are saying we are using would only in the past. I say, not I. Britishers are saying, Americans are saying we can use their would for all the three tenses. We can use their would all the three tenses. Now, what is the rating of would? It is like the top, best one for offer and intention. At the beginning, in the first lecture of our modal auxiliary verbs, do you remember I have given you the offer? Sorry, I have given you the sentences with would. For example, do you want a burger? Correct? Or instead of using do you want, what can we use there?
Would.
Correct. For example, would you like to have a burger? Which one is much more better?
Second one.
Correct. If you see here, I'm using here would like to have a burger or do you want a burger? थोड़ा ऐसे नहीं लग रहा भिखारी सेंटेंस से, ए तेको मानता burger? Do you want a burger? It is like one single star simple sentence. And if I say would you like to have a burger, it is the most strongest sentence. Are you getting the point? Are you getting the point?
Yes, sir.
It is the strongest sentence. Now, for example, if you're going to a 5-star hotel, you will find there the waiter is coming and he's asking you, sir, do you want anything else? Or would you like to have a drink, a complimentary drink? Sir, would you like to have something? Would you like to have these things? Would you like to have those things? So would you like to have, if we are saying would you like to have, it is the top sentence, means you are more polite than do you want. And if you are asking do you want it, do you want it, it is like that you are just giving the arms to this person. आप किसी को भीख दे रहे ऐसा हो जाएगा वो. So do you want it means what? थोड़ा लोकल टाइप का सेंटेंस लगता है. उसी की जगह पे आप लोग क्या बोलेंगे? Would like to have. तो सुनने में भी कितना अच्छा लगता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इतने को बर्गर बनता क्या? और क्या आप बर्गर लेना चाहेंगे? क्या आप बर्गर लेना पसंद करेंगे? तो ये क्या आप बर्गर लेना पसंद करेंगे और तेरे को बर्गर चाहिए कि दोनों में वो थोड़ा फर्क है. Yes or no?
Yes,
Are
sir.
you getting the point? So this is what exactly I want to say here, that would is much more stronger than do. Next one. So how are we are using here would for offer and intention. What is the offer? See here. Would like to have a burger. This is the sentence of अरे बोलो, ऑफर का सेंटेंस है ना ये?
Offer.
अरे तो गरीब लोग बोलो, ऑफर का सेंटेंस है ये. सो व्हाट एल्स? हाउ कैन वी ऑफर विद वुड? हाउ कैन वी ऑफर विद वुड? यस, फॉर एग्जाम्पल ऑफर कर रहे हैं हम लोग किसी को. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वुड
Would
यू
like.
लाइक टू वर्क विथ मी? क्या आप मेरे साथ में काम करना पसंद करेंगे? ये क्या है, ऑफर है कि नहीं?
ऑफर है.
एब्सोल्युटली ऑफर है. फॉर ऑफर वी आर गोइंग टू यूज देयर वुड. और ऑफर प्लीज, would you like to be my partner in the business? Offer है. Yes or no? So for offers we are going to use their would. Next, intention. What do you mean by intention? इरादा, जिसको अपन बोलते हैं willingness. Intention and willingness दोनों भी सेम है. Intention मतलब ही इरादा, willingness मतलब ही इरादा. मराठी में क्या बोलते हैं इसको, इरादे को?
तो कुछ फर्क नहीं है.
कुछ फर्क नहीं है, बिल्कुल भी नहीं है फर्क दोस्त, दोनों भी सेम है. इंटेंशन मतलब इरादा, विलिंगनेस मतलब इरादा, दोनों भी दोस्त सेम ही है वो. ओके, नाउ अभी मेरा कुछ इरादा है. फॉर एग्जांपल अभी मुझे बोलना चाहिए था आई विल कम टुमारो, करेक्ट? ये मेरा विलिंगनेस है. यस और नो? आई विल कम टुमारो, कल मैं आऊंगा, ये मेरा इरादा है. आई एम विलिंग दिस, इसके लिए विल लगाते हैं. ये विल का मतलब क्या है? विल मतलब नहीं कोई चीज को चाहना, करना. सो आई एम विलिंग दैट आई विल कम टुमारो, कल मैं आऊंगा. उसके लिए मैं क्या बोल सकता हूँ?
I would.
Correct. I would come tomorrow. I would come tomorrow. So I would come tomorrow. We can say I will come tomorrow. I would like to come tomorrow. ऐसे ही बोल सकते हैं. I would come tomorrow ये भी बोल सकते हैं. So intention and willingness मतलब इरादा, और इरादे के लिए हम लोग क्या यूज कर सकते हैं? Would. For example, I would prefer Apple rather Samsung. So I would like to prefer Apple rather than Samsung. I would like to prefer
Samsung.
Apple rather than Samsung. So I would like to
सर वो
prefer
ऊपर
this.
वाला गलत
मेरा
क्यों बता रहे?
इंटेंशन ये है. Pardon?
सर ऊपर वाला सेंटेंस रॉन्ग क्यों बता रहे?
वो एक्चुअली वो एक्सेप्ट नहीं कर पा रहा है, उसको हजम नहीं हो रहा है उसको, क्योंकि अमेरिकन इंग्लिश का ये है ना, ये जो ये गूगल है, गूगल अमेरिकन इंग्लिश को ज्यादा एक्सेप्ट करता है, वो ब्रिटिश इंग्लिश को नहीं. तो वो वहाँ पे विल बताएगा. देखो मैं उधर क्लिक करूंगा ना, विल बताएगा. वो आया क्या विल?
हाँ ये
उसको हजम नहीं हो रहा है बात वो. But we can use there for all the three tenses. Okay, yeah. Next one. So I would prefer Apple rather than Samsung. I would prefer Apple company rather than Samsung. Next one. हमारा intention है, मैं ऐसा करना चाहूँगा. I would like to, sorry, I would like to present a new lesson tomorrow. What is this? I would like to present a new lesson tomorrow. अब यहाँ पे कैसे बता रहा है? सही एकदम समझ में आ रहा है क्या? So we can use here for would for future as well. We can use here would for present as well. I would prefer Apple rather than Samsung. Present.
So
I would come
like
tomorrow.
to,
Future. Yes.
अगर हमने like to नहीं लगाया तो भी चलेगा क्या?
चलेगा ना. I would
सर
present a new lesson tomorrow.
पर ऑफर में सेकंड नंबर पे वो जो आपने दिया ना, would you like to have a burger, तो have की जगह पे हम want लगाए तो चलेगा?
Would you, नहीं, अब देखो यहाँ पर would you like to want a burger ऐसे कैसे बोलेंगे? यहाँ पे would जो है वो चाहत के लिए यूज हो रहा है ना, मतलब यानी ऑफर के लिए यूज हो रहा है. वहाँ पर want कैसे बोलेंगे? Would you like to have a burger? Would you like to want a burger? बोलने को कुछ बोलने ऐसे प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, बोल भी सकते हैं, बट वो थोड़ा सा सुनने में भी नॉनसेंस लगेगा. आई गेटिंग द पॉइंट?
यस सर.
वुड लाइक टू हैव अ बर्गर, क्या आप खाना चाहेंगे, लेना चाहेंगे, ऐसे थोड़ी बोलेंगे किसी को. या नेक्स्ट वन. नाउ इंटेंशन विलिंगनेस के ऊपर और एक हम लोग सवाल बनाते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल, आई वुडंट गो देयर, मैं उधर नहीं जाऊंगा. मेरा इंटेंशन है, मेरा इरादा है कि मैं उधर नहीं जाऊंगा. आई वुडंट go there, मैं उधर नहीं जाऊंगा. So we are using here would for intention, offer, willingness. Is that clear to all of you?
Yes sir.
Any doubts?
सर हम would की जगह पे will भी लगा सकते हैं ना?
Obviously. See, मैंने क्या बोला देखो स्टार्टिंग में ही, we can use the would. ये जो would है ये कहाँ से आया? will के पास ही आया है. But the difference between will and would is what? will we use only for future,
future.
and would we can use on for all the three tenses, and especially would is what strongest modal auxiliary verb, बहुत सारी जगह पे यूज होता है. Okay, for example, for statement, question and negative. For example, I would prefer apple. Question,
would I like? Okay.
would I prefer apple? Why apple A capital?
Because it's a company name.
Noun.
Correct, it's a company name, it's a proper noun. So I would prefer apple. Question, would I prefer apple? I wouldn't prefer apple. All right, any doubts to anyone?
No, sir.
Okay.
Same sentence with he, she, it as well. For example, she would, वो ऐसा करेगी, intention है उसका. She would submit the assignments next week. She would submit the assignments next week. Okay. Question,
Would she submit
would she submit the assignments next week? Negative, she
Wouldn't
wouldn't submit the
submit the
assignments
assignment
next
next
week.
week.
Is that clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
अब देखो यहाँ पे would की जगह पे will भी बोलेगा वो, she will assignment. क्यों? क्योंकि इसको ऐसा लग रहा है next week बोले तो future. वो गधा भूल गया है कि future के लिए भी हम लोग would use कर सकते हैं. Any doubts?
No, sir.
Any questions to anyone?
Okay.
Simple. Now let
No,
me
sir.
explain you here. Let me explain you here. This would with the book. Book के अंदर से डायरेक्ट आप लोगों को मैं would पढ़ा देता हूँ. So it will become very good revision of yours, so that you can go ahead easily. Okay. Grammar book. आप लोगों ने homework किया था कि नहीं? Saturday, Sunday, Monday का. Yes. Homework किया आप लोगों ने? मैंने आप लोगों को कुछ यूनिट्स दिया था ना? एक की भी आवाज नहीं निकल रही है. दिया था, नहीं दिया था. Yes. अरे कैसे निपट बेशरम है वहाँ
Yes,
पे.
sir.
थोड़ी चलेगा. प्रैक्टिस करो रे. जॉब चाहिए कि नहीं? बेस्ट पैकेज चाहिए कि नहीं? People are earning in lakhs, and where are you? If you see there, कंपनीज के अंदर ऐसे ऐसे ढक्कन मिलेंगे आप लोगों को जिनको बेचारा वो कुछ आता भी नहीं है. कंपनी ने उसको सिलेक्ट किया है. अरे आप लोग तो बहुत भारी हैं. You are the gems. Now today I had a meeting with one of my trainer. That trainer is my colleague. मेरे साथ में मेरा colleague है वो trainer. And you won't believe, आप यकीन नहीं करेंगे बाप रे, वो बंदा जो था उसने आते के साथ में सबसे पहले डायलॉग क्या मारा. अपने इधर क्या मालूम, समझ में नहीं आता मेरे को. तो सबसे पहले एक्सपीरियंस की बात क्यों करते लोग? आते गप करके पहले एक्सपीरियंस बोलेंगे. आएंगे गप करके पहले एक्सपीरियंस बोलेंगे. अरे एक्सपीरियंस बोलने से क्या होता है मेरे को समझ में नहीं आता है. एक्सपीरियंस बोलने से सामने वाले को डरा डालते क्या? कि सामने वाला डर के भाग जाएगा तुम्हारे एक्सपीरियंस सुन के? बिल्कुल समझ में नहीं आता मेरे को. तो एक्सपीरियंस पहले बोल के उन लोगों को लगता क्या? वो आया बंदा, आते के साथ में उसने क्या किया? आते के साथ में बोला आई हैव वर्क इन IT फॉर 15 years. अब जोक सुनो. जोक कैसा हो गया मालूम है? मेरी टीम का लीड मैं हूँ. तो वहां पे मैंने क्या किया, हमारी ट्रेनर्स की जो टीम है उसके अंदर जो है लीड में था बिकॉज ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन. अब वहां पे मैंने क्या किया, करिकुलम जो पूरा बनाया था मैंने खुद ने बनाया हुआ, और वो मेरे एक्सेल शीट के अंदर है. अब वो एक्सेल शीट जैसे आप लोग को मैं डॉक्यूमेंट शेयर करता हूँ डेली, मालूम है ना? ये वाला डॉक्यूमेंट आपके साथ में है सबके. तो आप लोग इसको डेली देखते हैं. जो भी मैं यहाँ पे करता हूँ वो ऑटोमेटिकली सेव हो जाता है. मैंने उसको किया सेंड. गूगल मीट पे मीटिंग चल रही थी. मीटिंग हो गई ख़त्म. उसको क्या लगा, वो शीट भी उड़ गया. मुझे वापस से उसने टेक्स्ट किया, बोले एक्सक्यूज़ मी, मैंने वो गूगल मीट का बंद कर दिया एप्लीकेशन, तो वो जो लिंक आपने दिए थे ना वो बोले चली गई, वो डेटा चले गया, आप मेरे को वापस से सेंड करो ना. मैं बोला अरे बाबा तेरे मेल पे है वो. 15 साल से IT में काम कर रहा है, उसको ये मालूम नहीं कि मेल पे गूगल शीट जाता है वो करके. मैं बोला एक्सीलेंट. ऐसे भी लोग हैं कंपनी में जो बेचारे 15 साल से सो रहे हैं. आप लोग तो वैसे भी जागे हुए हैं. go to the company, crack the interviews, and if the people are saying, "Oh, there are no jobs," they are बेकारी people. Sorry to say this. कंपनी में जॉब्स हैं, खाली उसको इंटरव्यू क्रैक करने वाला चाहिए बंदा. कंपनी में जॉब्स है. And go, and if you are going to speak there, see, I'll tell you one more thing. अरे ऐसे भी मैंने वहाँ पे देखा हूँ. अब मेरे जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं वहाँ पर, जो इंजीनियर्स जिनको मैं ट्रेन कर रहा हूँ, if you see there, those are the engineers, and their language is what, like, my father is a farmer and my mother is a homemaker. ऐसा बात कर रहे हैं वो लोग.
बिहारी, मोस्टली बिहारी.
माय फादर इज अ फार्मर. अरे बिहारी नहीं है, महाराष्ट्र के है वो. बट फिर भी मैं आपको बता क्या रहा हूँ कि मतलब उन लोग का साउंड कहाँ है. माय फादर इज अ फार्मर. अरे ऐसे साउंड वाले को जब कंपनी दे सकता है अच्छा पैकेज के साथ में, तो आप लोग को क्यों नहीं देगा. मेरे पास डिग्री नहीं, रोना नहीं, बोलने का मैं कर सकता हूँ. एंड यू कैन डू इट. नाउ लेट्स गो बैक without wasting our time, without wasting my on your time. Now would you like is equals, I would like, or would you like equals do you want. Okay, जैसे मैंने आप लोग को explain किया, we are using would for offer and intention. Yes or no? We are using would for offer and intention. And I would like means what? I would like कब बन जाएगा I'd like. For example, we use would you like equals do you want. We use would you like to offer things. Yes or no? We use would you like to offer things. For example, would you like some coffee? क्या आप कॉफी लेना चाहेंगे कुछ? No, thank you. Would like a chocolate? अब देखो ये गेमड़ी क्या बोल रही है. Would you like a chocolate? इसको दे रही है. वो क्या बोल रहा है? Yes please. हाँ, ये भी भिखारी है. हाँ चाहिए ना मेरे को. So would you like some chocolate? Would you like a chocolate? Yes please. Next. Would you like tea? What would you like? Tea or coffee? Offer कर रहा है सामने वाला. What would you like? Tea or coffee? Tea please. Okay. Next one. Now we are using would to invite somebody. Means what? We are just inviting somebody. At the time also we can use their would. We use would you like to invite somebody. For example, would like to go for a walk. हम लोग ऐसे ही बोल सकते हैं. Do you want to go for a walk? But उसके लिए मैंने क्या बोला किसी को? Would you like to go for a walk? Means what? Would is much more higher and superior than do. Is that clear to all of you? It is very easy and one of the top modal auxiliary verb. Next, would like to eat with us or on Sunday? आप हमारे साथ में डिनर करेंगे ये संडे को? Next, yes, I would love to. देखो एक्सेप्ट भी किया उसने. हाँ मैं क्यों नहीं. Yes, I would love to eat with you. Yes, I would love to have dinner with you on Sunday. Next, what would you like to do this evening? आप इस evening क्या करना चाहेंगे? What would you like to do this evening? Alright? So, offer हम लोग कर रहे हैं किसी को, invite कर रहे हैं हम लोग किसी को. At that time you are going to use their would. Next one is what? If you see here, I'd like is a polite way to say I want. अभी हम लोग बोलते हैं ना, I want a bungalow, I want a car. Instead of saying I want, you must say there, I would like to. I would like to have. So I'd like equals I would like. For example, I'm thirsty, I'd like a drink. मुझे एक drink चाहिए. I want a drink भी बोल सकते हैं, but हम लोग उसकी जगह पे क्या बोलेंगे? I would like to have a drink. See, मिस महक यहाँ पर have लगाया उसने? नहीं लगाया. उसने वहां पे क्या किया? डायरेक्टली गप करके उसने डायरेक्ट नाउन बोल दिया. I'd like a drink. वहां पे वर्ब भी हटा दिया उसने. फिर भी सेंटेंस कंप्लीट हो रहा है. I'm thirsty. I'd like a drink. मैं एक ड्रिंक लेना चाहूंगा. नेक्स्ट, इन अ टूरिस्ट ऑफिस. टूरिस्ट के ऑफिस में कॉन्वर्सेशन देखो क्या चल रहा है. I'd like some information about hotels. एक्चुअली क्या बोलना चाहिए था उसने? I'd like,
I want.
हाँ बोलना चाहिए था, बट इसके आगे और क्या बोलना
I
चाहिए
would
था?
like to.
हाँ, I would
I would
like
like
to.
to have some.
Correct. I would like
Have
to
some.
have some information about the hotels. So I would like to have some information. इतना लंबा चौड़ा था, उसने उसको शॉर्ट कर दिया. I'd like some information about the hotels. Next one. I'm feeling tired. मैं थोड़ा tired हूँ, थका हुआ हूँ. I'd like to stay at home this evening. मैं घर पर ही रहना चाहता हूँ आज के दिन. I want to stay at home बोल सकते थे, but उसकी जगह पे क्या बोलेंगे? I'd like to stay at home. So I want to stay at home. I'd like to stay at home. दोनों में से I would अच्छा है I want से. I want मतलब थोड़ा greedy लग रहा है, थोड़ा ऐसा लग रहा है लालची कुत्ता. I would like to have. मैं करना चाहता हूँ. But instead of saying that, you can say there, I'd like to have. Instead of saying I want to have. Next, now, would you like and do you want and do you like? दोनों में थोड़ा सा फर्क है. Let's have a look here. Would you like and do you like? दोनों में थोड़ा सा फर्क है. Would you like offer है, and do you like it's a general question. It's a normal question. For example, would you like? Answer is what? Yes, I would like. For example, would you like some tea? क्या आप थोड़ा टी पीना पसंद करेंगे? Yes, please. और यहाँ पे देखो ये क्या बोल रही है? Do you like tea? क्या आपको टी पसंद है? Yes, I do. पर अभी पिला रही है क्या वो?
नहीं
नहीं, पिला नहीं रही है वो खाली पूछ रही है,
पूछ रही है।
खाली पूछ रही है, यस नो। फॉर
Yes.
एग्जाम्पल अभी जैसे कि अपन जाते हैं, रजा कैसा, तुमको वलीमा अच्छा लगता, खाली अच्छा लगता है पूछ रहा हूँ, आने का नहीं हमारे वलीमे में, बुला थोड़ी रहा हूँ। आई गेटिंग द पॉइंट, खाली पूछ रहा है वो अच्छा लगता है कि तुम्हारे को वलीमे का खाना, सो फुकट का खाना अच्छा लगता, हाँ अच्छा लगता, पर बुला रहा है कि वो इनवाइट कर रहा है कि जय, नहीं इनवाइट नहीं कर रहा है। गेटिंग इट? सो डू यू लाइक टी? यस आई डू। ओके, वुड यू लाइक टू हैव सम नाउ? अब वो ऑफर कर रही है, तो क्या आप देखो पहले उसने पूछी हाँ क्या तुमको पसंद है, अगर नहीं बोलती थी वो नहीं पसंद है तो पूछती थी क्या उसको वो? नहीं। सो डू यू लाइक टी? यस आई डू। वुड लाइक टू हैव सम नाउ? नो थैंक यू, मैं भी मेरे घर से पी के आई हुई हूँ, not now. All right, next one. Let's go for the next one. Let's have some of the sentences over here on do you like and would you like. For example, would you like some tea means what? Do you want some tea right now? Would you like to go to the cinema tonight? क्या आज रात आप सिनेमा जाना चाहेंगे? Do you want to go to the cinema tonight? Yes, I would love to go. Next, I'd like an orange please. मुझे एक orange खाना है. I'd like an orange please means what? Can I have an orange now? Next, would you like to do the next week? What would you like to do the next weekend? आप क्या करना चाहेंगे next weekend? ये पूछ रही है intentions and offers के sentences से ये. Next, do you like equals do you think tea is nice means what? खाली पूछ रही है वो normal question. पसंद है क्या? For example, do you like going to the cinema? Yes or no? बस इतना बोलो. आपको जाना पसंद है क्या? लेके नहीं जा रही हूँ, खाली जाना पसंद है कि पूछ रही हूँ, ऐसा बोल रही है वो lady. In general, do you like to go to the cinemas? Yes, I go to the cinema a lot. Oh my god. I like oranges. In general, do you like oranges? Yes, I like oranges. Next, what do you like to do at the weekends? आप क्या करना चाहते हैं हर वीकेंड्स में? आप क्या करना पसंद करते हैं? इंटेंशन नहीं पूछ रही, जनरल बात में पूछ रही वो. जनरली what do you do at the weekends? So what do you like to do at the weekends? Any doubts to anyone?
No, sir.
No,
It is
sir.
very simple. It is very simple that you can do here this practice. ये यूनिट को वापस से प्रैक्टिस करना है. यूनिट नंबर 34. Okay, and if you have any questions, any doubts, you can ask me. Now I would like to have, would I like to have, I wouldn't like to have, I would submit, would I submit, I wouldn't submit. I want all of you to make sentences with would. Please make sentences with would. Take verbs and make sentences with
I would
would.
like to buy a new car. Would I like to buy a new car? I wouldn't like to buy a new car.
Good. Next.
I
I
would like
would
to
like
play
to
soccer
throw my
ball.
laptop. Would I
Would
like
I
to throw
like
my
to
laptop?
play
I wouldn't like
soccer
to
ball?
throw my laptop.
Good. Aisha ma'am.
I would like to play soccer ball. Would I like to play soccer ball? I wouldn't like to play soccer ball.
Good one. Next.
I would like to invest in stock market. I would I
Would I like
invest
to?
in stock market. I wouldn't
Like to
like to invest in stock market.
in the stock market. Next.
I would save my money. Would I save my money? I wouldn't save my money.
Good. Next.
I would like to run away from my job. Would I like to run away from my job? I wouldn't like to run away from my job.
Next.
I would like to drink a juice. Would I like to drink a juice? I wouldn't like to drink a juice.
Correct her. Can we say
Juice.
a juice?
No, sir.
We can't say a juice.
Some juice.
Some
No.
juice.
Juice.
Little juice or only juice. Chalo next. Next.
I would like to visit Switzerland. Would I like to visit Switzerland? I wouldn't like to visit Switzerland.
Good. Switzerland. Next.
I would
like
like to
crack my
shiver in
interview.
rain. Would I like to shiver in
Would I like
rain?
to
I
crack
wouldn't
my
like to
interview?
shiver in
I
rain.
wouldn't like to crack my interview.
Good. Crack. Crack my interview. Next. Yes.
I would like to go to gym. Would I like to go to gym? I wouldn't
A
like
gym.
to go to gym.
Go to the gym. Next.
Okay.
Yes.
I would like to play with curly hair. Would I like to play with curly hair? I wouldn't like to play with curly hair.
Oh. Next. I would like to play with your curly hair.
Her curly hair, sir.
हाँ वही समझ में आ रहा है मुझे. Next.
I would like to wander in forest. Would I like to wander in forest? I wouldn't like to wander in forest.
Next. Chalo, Miss Sana, Miss Aisha, Miss Vahek, make sentences.
I would like
I
to
would
solve
like to
puzzle.
succeed in my life. Would I like to succeed in my life? I wouldn't like to succeed in my life.
टक्कर नहीं मारना एक को. Yes, Miss Mahek.
I would like to solve puzzle. Would I like to solve puzzle? I wouldn't like to solve puzzle.
Good. Puzzles. Next. You can go directly. I would value it. Would I value it? I wouldn't value it. I would satisfy the company. Would I satisfy the company? I wouldn't satisfy the company with my production, with my job. I would reward you. Would I reward you? I wouldn't reward you. I would wander here and there. Would I wander here and there? I wouldn't wander here and there. I would suspect them. Would I suspect them? I wouldn't suspect them. Continue.
I would join dance classes. Would I join dance classes? I wouldn't join dance classes.
Good. Next.
I would like to play the
I
guitar.
would suffer this
Would I like-
pandemic. Would I suffer this pandemic? I wouldn't suffer this pandemic.
Very good.
I would like to play the guitar. Would I like to play the guitar? I wouldn't like to play the guitar.
Good. Next. Use करो वरना भूल जाएंगे. Use करो please. I would squander. Would I squander? I wouldn't squander. I would wrap up. Would I wrap up? I wouldn't wrap up. I would warm. Would I warm? I wouldn't warm. I would welcome them. Would I welcome them? I wouldn't welcome them. I would like to go for traveling. Would I like to go for traveling? I wouldn't like to go for traveling. I would tickle them. Would I tickle them? I wouldn't tickle them. Yes?
I would delete all messages. Would I delete all messages? I wouldn't delete all messages.
Very good, girl.
I would try my level best. Would I try my level best? I wouldn't try my level best.
Next.
I would watch. Would I watch?
I would like
I
to buy.
wouldn't watch.
Watch. Next.
I would like to buy some flowers. Would I like to buy some flowers? I wouldn't like to buy some flowers.
Any flowers.
Any
Negative
flowers.
में any आएगा ना?
हाँ.
Yes, continue.
I would annoy. Would I annoy? I wouldn't annoy.
Annoy. Next.
I would try something. Would I try something? I wouldn't try something.
Good. Next. I would solve. Would I solve? I wouldn't solve. Make sentences with he, she. He would, she would. She would tempt it. She would tempt him. Would she tempt him? She wouldn't tempt him. He would testify himself. Would he testify himself? He wouldn't testify himself.
He would stay with them. Would he stay with them? He wouldn't stay with them.
Good. Next.
She would like to
He
whisper
would
with a
analyze
friend.
the model. Would he analyze the model? He wouldn't analyze the model.
Very good. Next.
She would like the whisper with a friend. Would she like to whisper with her friend? She wouldn't like to whisper with her friend.
Good. Yes. She would like to buy. Would she like to buy? She wouldn't like to buy. He would travel. Would he travel? He wouldn't travel. She would turn down the paper. Would she turn down the paper? She wouldn't turn down the paper. Yes. Sentences, please.
She
Don't be
would
quiet.
Would she work? She wouldn't work.
Yes. She would read it.
She would
Would
tired.
he shout? He wouldn't shout.
Good. Next.
She would tired.
like-
Would she tired? She wouldn't tired.
Be tired.
He would like worship. Would he like worship? He wouldn't like worship.
Like to. Yes. Next.
He would pretend. Would he pretend? He wouldn't pretend.
Next.
He would turn.
Turn. Would she turn? She wouldn't turn.
Turn. Next.
He would snore. Would he snore? He wouldn't snore.
Very good.
He would sell. Would he sell? He wouldn't sell.
Good.
She
Sell.
would treat. Would she treat? She wouldn't treat.
Good. Next.
He would tease. Would he tease? He wouldn't tease.
Very good.
He would travel. Would she travel? She wouldn't travel.
Good. Next.
He would try to drive. Would he try to drive? He wouldn't try to drive.
Very good. Next.
He would torture. Would he torture? He wouldn't torture.
Next. Make sentences
He
with
would
it
play the
would.
games. Would
Yeah.
he play the?
Games.
He would play the game. Would he play the game? He wouldn't play the game.
Good. Next.
It would offer. Would it offer? It wouldn't offer.
Good. Next.
She would like to watch a TV. Would she like watch a TV? She wouldn't like to watch a TV.
Next.
He
Can you
would
please
stay.
give me?
Would he
Yeah.
stay? He wouldn't stay.
Next. Can you please make sentences with it would? Aisha ma'am, make sentences
It
with
would
it would.
fly. It would fly. Would it fly? It wouldn't fly.
Fly. Next. It would.
It would smell. Would it smell? It wouldn't smell.
Next.
It would follow. Would it follow? It wouldn't follow.
Very good. Next.
It would buy. Would it buy? It wouldn't buy.
Next.
It would jump. Would it jump? It wouldn't jump.
Good. Next.
It would order. Would it order? It wouldn't order.
Next.
It would prefer. Would it prefer? It wouldn't prefer.
Prefer. Very good.
It would profit. Would it profit? It wouldn't profit.
Profit. Next.
It would
Yes.
pass. It would pass. Would it pass? It wouldn't pass.
Good. Next.
It would order. Would it order? It wouldn't order.
Order. Next.
It would provoke. Would it provoke? It wouldn't provoke.
Good. Next.
It would protect. Would it protect? It wouldn't protect.
Good. Next.
It would manage. Would it manage? It wouldn't manage.
Next.
It would repair. Would it repair? It wouldn't repair.
Good.
It would
Next.
oppose. Would it oppose? It wouldn't oppose.
Pose. Very good.
It would
It would-
remark. Would it remark? It wouldn't remark.
Nice one. Remark. Next.
It would invite. Would it invite? It wouldn't invite.
Next.
It would
It would
repair.
notify.
Would it repair?
Would it notify?
wouldn't
It
repair.
wouldn't notify.
It wouldn't notify.
Notify. Repair. Next. It would object.
It would track.
object.
Would it track? It wouldn't track.
Track. It would object. Would it object? It wouldn't object. It would persist. Would it persist? It wouldn't persist. It would refer. Would it refer? It wouldn't refer. It would refuse. Would it refuse? It wouldn't refuse. It will profit. Would it profit? It wouldn't profit. Next.
It
would
would
register.
register.
Neglect. Would it neglect? It wouldn't
register.
neglect.
Register. Neglect. Good. Okay. Can you please give me good sentences with you would? You would.
You would learn. Would you learn? You wouldn't learn.
Good. Next.
You would answer. Would you answer? You wouldn't answer.
Answer. Very good. Next.
You would like to practice. Would you like to practice? You wouldn't like to practice.
Good. Next. Yeah. Make sentences.
You would like.
You would.
You would like to respond. Would you like to respond? You wouldn't like to respond.
Yes.
You would punish. Would you punish? You wouldn't punish.
Good. Pay attention, all of you here. Pay attention. Study pages G. Are you looking at it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good one. So would you like? Study pages G in your file. Would you like? I believe all of you have this file, correct?
Yes, sir.
Would you like? Would you like an ice cream? Oh yes, please. Okay. What kind? Chocolate. Hello. Would you like a lift? Oh, ये तो जय का sentence है. Oh, hello. Would you like a lift? Oh yes. Thank you very much. That's okay. Where are you going? Just next to the village. Okay. Would you like another drink? Oh my God, Raza. Would you like another drink? दो बेवड़े साथ में बैठ के बात कर रहे हैं. Would you like another drink? Oh yes, please. Orange juice. Wasn't it? Yes. Orange juice with
Excuse me,
ice.
sir, we can
Oh.
say, would you like to one more?
Would you like
one more drink?
Yeah, we can say, but वो
We
थोड़ा
can
local
say.
sentence हो जाएगा.
Okay.
Would you like another drink? So would you like another drink or would you like one more drink? एक और चाहिए देखो ऐसा. So would you like another drink? ये another जरा थोड़ा सा अलग टाइप का वर्ड होता है. एक और चाहिए बोले तो ऐसा लग रहा है इतने को एक और मिलता मतलब ये बहुत बड़ा बेवड़ा है वो. So ओहो ऑरेंज के साथ में ले रहा है ये तो. ऑरेंज फ्लेवर भी आता है ना उसमें दारू में.
Would you like to have a repeat?
Would you like to have a repeat?
Drink, repeat the drink.
Okay. By the way, would you would resign? Would you resign? You would resign. Okay. So this is what exactly I seeing the article over here. The article is there on would you like. Any doubts? You have to practice this. You have to practice this, and tomorrow you're going to give me the homework of would. All right. कल मुझे होमवर्क चाहिए वुड
Okay,
के
sir.
ऊपर का. और जिसका जो बाकी है पहले पूरा ना वो वाला भी होमवर्क देना है. रमीज भाई, रजा भाई, समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes.
कंपनी का काम खत्म हुआ ना आज?
Yes.
Very
Hopefully.
nice. Hopefully.
Sure.
So just try, and then tomorrow just give me this one. Yes, Raza?
So can you repeat, please?
Yeah, I was just saying that tomorrow I want you to make an article of 10 to 20 lines of wood. Just try
Okay,
to
sir.
use their wood, and then you are going to give me the homework. And see, as you are remaining with have to and has to also, right?
Yes,
I
sir.
want tomorrow both of them, have to and has to, even would. Okay? Is that clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Good
sir.
one. So take the help of this unit and then just try to make an article on wood. Now you will find there in our what do we say? In our tape scripts, you will find there are multiple sentences on wood. Multiple sentences. Multiple articles are there on wood. Just go and check it. And if you get any, just try to take the help of it and try to make your own article and just show me tomorrow. All right?
Yes, sir.
For example, where is that travel? Travel. I'll show you some of the sentences over there as well. Travel, food, waiter, fast food, morning till night, open and close, from morning till night, at the market. What does it mean? Next, is there a bank near here? What do you do? Questions, is there a bank near here? Jobs, who do you mean? Can, childhood places, love is all around, shopping list, would you like? Which country, bedtime story, what's weather like, festivals. Where is that travel? Yeah, international travel over here. Pay attention. देखो यहाँ पर भी पूछा गया कहीं तो इसमें भी है. Good morning. Can I see your ticket and passport, please? Thank you. Just one bag checked in. Is it? Yes, just one. Okay. Would you like a smoking or non-smoking seat? देखो क्या कर रहा है वो उसको? क्या कर रहा है? ऑफर. और उसका willingness पूछ रहा है वो. आपको क्या चाहिए? Would you like a smoking or non-smoking seat? A window seat. Okay, there you are. Thank you. Getting it? So ऐसे टाइप के डायलॉग्स इसमें बहुत सारे डायलॉग्स हैं. तो इसके अंदर आपसे आप लोगों को ऐसे टाइप का डायलॉग उठाना है and then just try to make your own article. Is that clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Go for the best and just try to make it amazing one. All right. My future plans. Now you can just go and you can make some good sentences with would. When I was young, I would have done it before, but it wasn't the best time. But I would like to plan a new business with my another partner, and then I'm going to establish it sooner. So I'm going to, so instead of you using that, you can just say there, I would establish my own company in future. My own company in future. Future. In future. Okay. I would like to establish my own company in future. I would have done. कौन सा वाला टेंस है ये? आयशा मैम, महक मैम, सना मैम, जल्दी. I would have done.
Future.
No. Past का है. Correct. Past का है ये. I would have done lot of hard work in my past, but
I have to.
but I was helpless. समझ में आ रहा है? I would have done a lot of hard work in my past. मैंने बहुत hard work किया होता, but I was helpless due to my financial conditions. I would establish my new future, my own company in future. Next, I would like to invite you for a
Dinner.
party tonight. Okay, I would like to invite you for a party tonight. Are you getting the point? It means what? This is what for the present. This is what the for future. This is what the for past. Are you getting that? It means what? I'm using here present, past, and future. So like this, you're just going to make an article for tomorrow. Any doubts to anyone?
No, sir.
Good one. Good. Chalo, आता अपने को. Make sentences now. Make sentence with we would. Sentences with we would.
We would play cricket tomorrow. Would we play cricket tomorrow? We wouldn't play cricket tomorrow.
Very nice. Next. Take these words and make sentences. We would deform the structure. Would we deform the structure? We wouldn't deform the structure. Next. We would, they would. We would, they would.
They would disagree with terms. Would they disagree with terms? They wouldn't disagree with them.
Yes.
We would explain. Would we explain? We wouldn't explain.
Good. Next.
We would earn. Would we
Would
earn?
we earn?
We wouldn't earn.
Good. Next.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, I would have done a lot of hard work का मतलब मैंने बहुत hard work किया होगा या मैंने बहुत hard work
किया होता.
होगा?
किया होता. किया होता. मैंने बहुत हार्ड वर्क किया होता. ऐसा किया होता. वैसा किया होता. ऐसा. I would have done a lot of hard work. मैंने बहुत सारा हार्ड वर्क किया होता. Yes.
We would apply for job. Would we apply for job? We wouldn't apply for job.
Next.
We would consume. We would consume. Would we consume? We wouldn't consume.
Next.
We would enjoy. Would we enjoy? We wouldn't enjoy.
Next.
We would cross. Would we cross? We wouldn't cross.
Next.
We would continue. Would we continue? We wouldn't continue.
Next.
We would win.
Yeah.
We would enjoy. Would we enjoy? We wouldn't enjoy.
Yes, Raza.
So what is the difference of cry down and cry up?
Nothing. Actually, here it is what cry means what normal cry. Correct? And
Yes.
cry up. चिंगार के
Your voice lagging.
मतलब है नहीं फुट
Yeah.
के होना जबरदस्ती का. Yes.
We would like to
आवाज
demand.
बराबर ना.
We like to demand. We wouldn't like to demand.
They would. We would discover. Would we discover? We wouldn't discover. Make sentences. We would desire. Would we desire? We wouldn't desire.
We
They would direct me.
observe.
Would they direct me? They wouldn't direct me. They would correct. Would they correct? They wouldn't correct. We would damage. Would we damage? We wouldn't damage. They would estimate. Would they estimate? They wouldn't estimate. फटाफट सेंटेंस बनाना है. सोते नहीं पड़े रहना है. चलो फटाफट.
We would correct.
We would
would
cross
we
our limit.
correct? We wouldn't correct.
Very good. We would correct. Next.
We would cross our limit. Wouldn't
We
we
would
cross our limit?
disappear.
We
Would
don't
we
our
disappear?
cross our
We
limit.
wouldn't disappear.
Correct. Disappear.
We would
and
empty.
cross the limits.
We would empty. Would we empty? We wouldn't empty.
Next.
We would continue.
We would
we
emphasize.
continue?
Would we emphasize? We wouldn't emphasize.
Emphasize. Continue. Next.
Sir,
We
is
would
this
endure.
the-
Would we endure? We wouldn't endure.
Endeavor. Very good.
सर वुड आया इसका मतलब इन सब का मीनिंग हो सकता है कर सकता है ऐसा ही है ना विल में ही आएगा ना इस सब का.
नहीं आप गलत समझ रही मैडम. इसका मतलब क्या होने वाला है? हो सकता कर सकता होगा क्या इसका मतलब? हो सकता कर सकता मीनिंग किसका होता है? मिस सना, हो सकता है कर सकता है मीनिंग किसका होता है ऐसा?
Will.
I will.
अरे बाप रे.
Can
बोले सैली तू तो है काम वाली बाई. बोले माई पण काम वाली बाई छे. कैन का होता है ना कर सकता हो सकता.
Yes.
फिर अरे यार एक काम करो आप दोनों एक काम करो बंदूक बिंदुक लाओ मेरे को उड़ा डालो.
हमारे घर
कैन का
में
मतलब होता है कर सकता. तो देखो गुड्डी मैडम बोले हमारे पास बंदूक नहीं है फतरे लाओ क्या. बाप रे.
मतलब तैयार है.
Madam, my 4 wives and 25 children aren't going to spare you. Remember this.
Sorry, sir.
Next. आगे सहेली यहाँ पे मतलब क्या है. वुड का मैं ऐसा करूंगा. ऑफर के लिए इंटेंशन के लिए विलिंगनेस के लिए. विलिंगनेस मतलब यानी इरादा है मेरा. मैं ऐसा करूंगा. I would come tomorrow. मैं कल आऊंगा. जय pay attention. रमीज pay attention. I would come tomorrow. मैं कल आऊंगा. I would prefer apple. मैं apple prefer करूंगा. करना चाहूंगा. आई वुड लाइक टू प्रेजेंट अ न्यू लेसन टुमारो. मैं एक नया लेसन प्रेजेंट करना चाहूंगा. कर सकता नहीं आएगा उधर. एबिलिटी के लिए यूज नहीं होता है वो. गेटिंग इट. एग्जैक्टली. चलो महक सहेली क्या कर रही है आप.
Sorry, sir.
अब सुख सागर नगर की गुंडी हो रही है. चलो मेक सेंटेंसेस विद दे वुड. जल्दी जल्दी फिनिश करो फटाफट. चलो जल्दी. दे वुड.
They would cook. Would they cook?
Yes.
They wouldn't cook.
They would
Cook.
They would copy.
Next.
Would they copy? They wouldn't copy.
Good. Next. Aisha ma'am.
They would
We would
create.
delay. Would we delay?
They wouldn't
We
create.
wouldn't delay.
Delay. Miss Mahek.
They
They
would
would
cry. Would they
create.
cry? They
Would
wouldn't
they
cry.
create? They wouldn't create.
Creates. Next.
They would consume. Would they consume? They wouldn't consume.
Consume. Next.
They would
cover.
demand. Would they
They
demand? They
cover.
wouldn't demand.
They wouldn't discover.
Good.
We would create. Would we create? We wouldn't create.
Good. Next.
They would deform. Would they deform? They wouldn't deform.
Deform. Create.
They would enter.
Emigrate.
Would they enter? They wouldn't enter.
Enter. Next.
They would dany. Would they dany? They wouldn't dany.
They wouldn't count.
Good. 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 Find. Next.
We would continue. Would we continue? We wouldn't continue.
Continue. Next. They would. We would.
We would demand.
They would deserve.
Would we
Would they
demand?
deserve?
We
They
wouldn't
wouldn't
demand.
deserve.
Demand. Jai.
Wouldn't end.
They would deserve. Would they deserve? They wouldn't deserve.
Deserve. Next.
They would earn.
They would earn.
Would they earn? They
Would they
wouldn't earn.
earn? They would earn.
Very good. Earn. Yes.
We would digest. Would we digest? We wouldn't digest.
Very good. Next.
They
They
would
would
drop.
drop. Would they
Would they
drop?
drop? They wouldn't drop.
Good. Good. Yes, Mr. Ramesh.
They would disagree. Would they disagree? They wouldn't disagree.
Very good.
They would control.
They would direct.
control,
Would they direct? They wouldn't
control.
direct.
Very good.
They would enter. Would they enter? They wouldn't enter.
Good.
They would enjoy. Would they enjoy? They wouldn't enjoy.
Very good.
They would discover. Would they discover? They wouldn't discover.
This- They would convert. Would they convert? They wouldn't convert. We would envy. Would we envy? We wouldn't envy. We would estimate. Would we estimate? We wouldn't estimate. They would drop. Would they drop? They wouldn't drop. They would damage. Would they damage? They wouldn't damage. We would consume. Would we consume? We wouldn't consume. We would encourage. Would we encourage? We wouldn't encourage. We would assume. Would we assume? We wouldn't assume. They would drag. Would they drag? They wouldn't drag. They would drown. Would they drown? They wouldn't drown. Sentences.
They would die by me.
Would they earn? They wouldn't
Would they
earn.
die by me? They wouldn't die by me.
Good. Good. Good.
They would damage. Would they damage? They wouldn't damage.
Good.
They would depart. Would they depart? They wouldn't depart.
Correct. Very good. And just try to use this would in your conversation. Okay, it is really beautiful. Yes. They would encourage. Would they encourage? They wouldn't encourage.
They would
I
enjoy. Would
agree,
they
would I
enjoy? They
agree? I
wouldn't
wouldn't
enjoy.
agree.
They would
Enjoy.
descend. Would
Good.
they descend? They wouldn't dissent.
Dissent. Good. Next.
They would deserve. Would they deserve? They wouldn't deserve.
Very good. I would eliminate. Would I eliminate? I wouldn't eliminate. I would conjure. Would I conjure? I wouldn't
Indeed.
conjure. I would enchant. Would I enchant? I wouldn't enchant. Yes.
They would differ. Would they differ? They wouldn't differ.
Good. They would differ.
They would
Yes.
estimate. Would they estimate? They wouldn't estimate.
Estimates. Next.
They would conduct. Would they conduct? They wouldn't conduct.
Very good. We would meet. Would we meet? We wouldn't meet. They would conduct. They would annoy. Would they annoy? They wouldn't annoy.
They would connect. They would collect. Would they collect? They wouldn't collect.
Good.
They would practice.
They would
They would
calculate. Would they
betray.
calculate? They wouldn't calculate.
Very good.
They would betray. Would they betray? They wouldn't betray.
Betray. Calculates. Next.
They would complain. Would they complain? They wouldn't complain.
Next.
They
They
would
would
decide.
blame. Would they blame? They
wouldn't
wouldn't
decide.
blame.
Plan. Jai.
They would decide. Would they decide? They wouldn't decide.
Decide. Blame. Next.
They would compensate.
They would bob. Would they bob?
compensate?
They wouldn't bob.
compensate.
Yes.
They would borrow. Would they borrow? They wouldn't borrow.
Very good. Any doubts to anyone?
No,
No,
sir.
Any questions?
No, sir.
They would recognize. Would they recognize? They wouldn't recognize. So tomorrow I want the homework on this one. Okay? Would. And
Okay,
tomorrow
sir.
I'm going to start another one which is really very, 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 very important. Okay? Tomorrow we are going to
And
start
sir-
a very important. Yes?
Sir, please send me the link for the all lecture.
What? Okay, the recordings link.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Me too.
Okay,
And me
okay,
too.
sure. See, whoever wants the recording links, please text me there. Okay, I'll be sending you the recordings
sir.
sooner. Yeah, sure. Don't worry. And please go through the recordings. Okay? We'll see you tomorrow. Cheerio.
Yeah.
Serious.
Please, all of you, pay